Hello, my name is Faye Cambridge and I am the Curriculum Leader for Science here at Moor End Academy. Science is a compulsory subject, which means you have to take one of the two pathways I'm going to talk to you about today. There are two pathways available at GCSE. The majority of students study GCSE Combined Science Trilogy, which leads to a double award, which is 2 GCSEs. Some students choose to study the separate science pathway of GCSE Biology, Chemistry and Physics. This is 3 GCSEs. I shall explain to you the difference between these options so that you can pick the best option for you. Science is a fascinating subject which increases our understanding of the world around us. We aim to develop students' understanding of key events in the world around them, for example climate change, global pandemic or the energy crisis, to name but a few. This enables our students to make informed decisions affecting their own and others' health and well-being. There is a huge range of careers available to students who study science, but let us consider what post-16 options are available in our local colleges. After completing your GCSEs in science, you could go on to study a range of different courses, from traditional A-level qualifications to vocational courses such as BTECs. The courses listed here are all available in Huddersfield. Provided you achieve the grades required by the college, you can follow any of these courses, regardless of which pathway you study. We follow the AQA suite of science qualifications. There are 3 assessment objectives which are examined in each paper. These assessment objectives are the same for both pathways. So AO1, demonstrate knowledge and understanding of scientific ideas, scientific techniques and procedures. AO2, apply knowledge and understanding of scientific ideas, scientific inquiry, techniques and procedures. And AO3, analyse information and ideas to interpret and evaluate, make judgments and draw conclusions, develop and improve experimental procedures. We deliver these assessment objectives through the teaching of the subject content and a rich practical experience which includes a series of required practical activities. In biology, we study 7 topics. The topics are the same in both combined science and biology, although in biology there is additional content, for example learning about culturing microorganisms and monoclonal antibodies. In chemistry, we study 10 topics. The topics are again the same in both combined science and chemistry, although in chemistry there is additional content, for example learning about nanoparticles and carrying out titrations. In physics, we study 7 topics in combined science. In GCSE physics, you study the additional topic of space physics. Let me explain some of the key differences between the 2 pathways. You will study all 3 sciences in both pathways, but in the separate science pathway, you study additional content. You will sit 2 exams for each science for either pathway, so 6 exams in total. However, the exams are longer for separate science so that the additional content can be assessed. So, why should you choose to study the separate sciences? Firstly, and in my opinion most importantly, you need to have a love for science. You will have more science lessons each week if you study separate science, so it is important that you enjoy them. The separate science pathway suits students who know that they want to study science at college or want to go into a scientific career. The grade boundaries are higher in the separate sciences, and so I recommend this pathway to students who perform well in their science assessments. Further information, including specifications and exam papers, can be found on the AQA website. In addition, you can ask your science teacher or myself, Mrs. Cambridge.